Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Did you know that the sunlight we see as white light actually contains 7 visible colors? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red? The colors we see in nature, like a green leaf or a red rose, are not the object's own color. They are the colors of the light being reflected. But have you ever noticed something interesting? While nature is full of colors, some shades, especially blue and violet, are very rare. Let's find out why. In nature, color comes mainly from pigments and structures. Pigments are chemical compounds that absorb certain colors and reflect others. For example, a red flower looks red because its pigments absorb blue and green but reflect red light. Plants need high-energy blue light for photosynthesis, so they absorb it instead of reflecting it. That's why blue pigments are very rare in plants, and because animals get their pigments from plants, blue is rare among animals too. But not all colors come from pigments. Some come from structures, tiny patterns on wings or feathers that bend and scatter light. These structural colors often create shimmering effects, like on a butterfly's wing or a peacock feather. These structures scatter high-energy colors like blue and violet more easily, which is why we often see bright blues, but rarely bright reds, created this way. So, what's the rarest color of all in nature? That's right, it's violet. Violet has the highest energy in the visible spectrum, making it extremely hard to produce as a pigment or even as a structural color. Now, here's a fascinating fact. Mammals, including us, cannot produce violet color at all. Mammals only produce 2 main pigments, eumelanin, which gives black and brown colors, and pheomelanin, which gives red, yellow, and orange shades. These pigments simply can't reflect violet light, because violet has very high energy. And mammals don't have the microscopic structures in their fur that can scatter violet light like a butterfly's wing or a bird's feather does. So next time you see a violet flower or a blue butterfly, remember, those colors aren't ordinary. They're nature's way of showing the science of light and life working together. Colors tell a story about evolution, light, and how every living thing reflects a bit of the rainbow. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing stories from science and nature. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.